The exhaust shield covers the muffler in the area the exhaust gases exit the muffler. The shield protects the plastic housing from this hot area of the muffler. The shield will tear if it is removed and should be replaced whenever it is removed. Replacing the exhaust shield is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the exhaust guide. Next, I'll remove the deflector. Now I'll remove the exhaust shield. Now I'll install the new exhaust shield. I'll insert the shield so the taller portion is towards the top of the blower. I'll reinstall the deflector. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the exhaust guide. I'll use a small screwdriver to align all the screw holes in the various components. And then secure everything with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the exhaust shield on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.